Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss exercise 3.3. Here we will learn how to solve pair of linear equation by elimination method. Substitution method we did in exercise 3.2. Now we will do these questions by using elimination method. You can also try this question by substitution method, because if it is not asked in the exam to do by a particular method, you can opt for any which you find easy. But if it is asked to do by elimination, then you have to strictly do by elimination. First question is, solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination and substitution method. So I will solve this by elimination method. So as the name suggests, we have to eliminate either of the variable by adding or subtracting depending on the sign that variable acquires. So our first equation is x plus y equal 5 and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal 4. So we will eliminate here x. You can also eliminate y, it's your choice, but I am doing it by eliminating x. So in this I will multiply first equation by 2 and then subtract it from second equation. So when we will subtract both equations, we will get y equal 6 upon 5, and after substituting this value of y in equation 1, we will get x equal 19 by 5. So you can see how it is done. It is very easy. As you are solving a linear equation, it is same like that. In the second part, equations are 3x plus 4y equal 10 and 2x minus 2y equal 2. Here we can do it by multiplying 2 to the second equation and adding it to the first equation. So we will get x as 2 and y as 1. So x equal 2 and y equal 1 are the values of variable in this. In third part, equations are 3x minus 5y equal 4, 9x minus 2y equal 7. So multiply equation 1 by 3 and subtract from equation number 2. So after subtracting these both, we will get y equal minus 5 by 13. And after substituting value of y in first equation, you can put it in any of the equation given. You will get x equal 9 by 13. So x is 9 by 13 and y is minus 5 by 13. Fourth part, equations are x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal minus 1. I am taking LCM here. So we will get this equation in the general form, ax plus by equals c. Equation would be 3x plus 4y equal minus 6. Similarly, we will do with the second equation also. So we will get second equation as 3x minus y equal 9. So simply we will subtract first from second equation and we will get y as minus 3. And by using this value, we will get x as 2. So x is 2 and y is minus 3 for this question. So question number 2 is word problems. So here we have to first frame the equations and then we will solve them. So first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1 and it becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. We have to find the fraction. So we will take numerator as x and denominator as y. Then according to question, x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is 1, and after cross multiplying we will get x minus y equal minus 2. This is our first equation. Then according to question, the second part is x upon y plus 1 is 1 by 2. So we will get 2x minus y equal 1 by cross multiplying again. and we will multiply first equation by 2 and subtract it from second equation, and we will get y equal 5. And this value of y equal 5 will give value of x as 3. So the fraction would be 3 upon 5. Second question. Second question is, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So we will take age of Noori as x and age of Sonu as y years. 5 years ago, age of Noori would be x minus 5 and age of Sonu would be y minus 5 years. So according to question, we will take x minus 5 equal 3 times y minus 5, and the equation would be x minus 3y equal minus 10. Similarly, after 10 years, age of Noori would be x plus 10 and age of Sonu would be y plus 10. So as the condition given in the question, x plus 10 is 2 times y plus 10, and we will get the second equation as x minus 2y equal 10. We will subtract second equation from first, and we will get y as 10 and x as 50. So age of Noori is 50 years and age of Sonu is 20 years. Third question is, the sum of digit of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit of the order of digits. Find the number. So let the ones place be x and tens place be y. So the number, since it is a 2-digit number, the number would be of the form 10y plus x. According to question, x plus y is 9. This is our first equation, and then 9 times the number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. From this we will get our second equation, which is x minus 8y equals 0. Subtracting second equation from first, we will get y as 1 and x as 8. So the number would be 18. Fourth part is, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 100 and 50 did she receive. So let us assume number of rupees 50 notes as x and number of rupees 100 notes be y. Then according to question, x plus y is 25 and denomination of 50 rupees note will sum up to 50x and of 100 would sum up to 100y. So 50x plus 100y is 2000. X plus 2y equal 50 would be the second equation. We will subtract second equation from first and we will get y as 15. If y is 15, then x would be 10. So number of rupees 50 note is 10 and number of rupees 100 note is 15. Fifth question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the charge and find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So let us take charge for the first 3 days as x and additional charge for each day as rupees y. According to question, x plus 4y is 27 because she kept for 7 days. So charge for 3 days would be x and for remaining 4 days would be 4y. So x plus 4y is 27. Similarly, x plus 2y is 21. Subtracting second equation from first, we will get y as 3 and x as 15. So the fixed charge for 3 days is rupees 15 and the additional charge for each extra day would be rupees 3 per day. So here we are done with this exercise 3.3, and we are done with this chapter also from NCERT. So if you have any doubts, you can ask, and in next video we will discuss extra questions related to this chapter. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.